How to install the X app on iPhone, which is the former Twitter app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn on how we can install the X application or the former Twitter app on iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing the X app or the former Twitter app is actually quite simple. Now for this, what you have to do is go ahead and then launch your app store over here. Before you do that, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Once you go ahead and then log into your account, you can just tap on the search bar that you can find from here and just type in X or Twitter and hit the search bar. Once done, you can see the former Twitter application now renamed as X. So what you want to do is just simply make sure to tap on the download button right there in order to download the X app on iPhone. Hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.